Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So today we try to see the UART communication from the Arduino board friends. The Arduino board friends. So this is the Arduino Uno and it is having the Atmega 3 to 8 microcontroller friend. So in order to communicate to the PC, we have it as an USB A to USB B cable friends. This we need to connect over to the board and this we need to connect to the PC friend. So we are using the Windows operating system friends in this experiment. So now let us go to some basics of an UART friend. So what is UART? This is Universal Asynchronous Receiver and a Transmitter friend. So which will be transferring the data on the serial. So which is having as an two pin prints. One is TX, another one is RX. So the TX and RX will try to send and receive independently. So means it is full duplex friends. So which can receive and transmit the data independently over the RX and TX. So if it has to work only in the RX and if it has to work in the TX, then it is called as half duplex friends. But if it can work independently, we can call them as a full duplex friend. In the serial transmitter, so we need to define the data frame friends. Data frame for the UART communication. So the data frames looks like this friends. A data frame, a data packet will be typically like this. The first bit is called it as a start bit friends, which is 0 and followed by the data and followed by as an a parity, that is no parity, even or odd, and followed by the stop bits friends. This data bits will be the 5, 6, 7, sorry, 8 or 9. And this no parity even or odd will be the 1 bit and followed by the stop bits will be the 1 or 2 bits friend. The stop bits is always as a 1. Now let us see the typical data frame or in a data packet will be like this friends. Start bit 0 and data will be typically 8 bits and no parity and one stop bit friends. So this is the typical a data frame or a data packet. The one start bit and 8 data bits and one stop bit, which typically tell it as an 8N1. 8 means 8 data, no parity, one stop bit friends. So this is the data frame or a data packet, how it looks like this. Now let us define the baud rate and bit rate friends. The typical the baud rates is starting from as in 2400, 4800, 9600 and it will goes on 1,15,200. So it will goes on friends. So in this example, we try to take a 9,600 baud rate and try to discuss about this. This is the point. In order to transmit a 1 bit, the time taken for 1 bit transfer is 1 divided by 9600, which is 104 microseconds, friends. So it try to take 104 microseconds, friends. Now let us see some basics about the how the transmitter and receiver holds on. So this is the microcontroller, and the other end will be the laptop or a desktop, friend. So this a microcontroller will be having as then a two pins, friends. One is transmitter, the direction is towards the outside, and the receiver is direction towards the inside, friend. This typically will be having a TTL level logic. In order to transmit this data over to this one, so we need to have it as a translator that is nothing but a max 232, and IC will take these signals and convert into the UART signals, friends. The UART signals typically containing as a 12 volts and minus 12 volts, friends. Now let us see the signals, the TTL versus UART. The TTL is 0 and 1 will be converted into the UART like this, friends. The 1, 0 will be converted into the 12 volts, and 1 will be converted into the minus 12 volts, and vice versa, friends. From UART it try to take it and convert into the TTL, and these 12 and minus 12 will be, these max 232 outputs will be given to the PC, friends, or laptop, and these two signals will be hand over to here. So this is the a translator that is converting one level of a logic to another level, so that will be try to use it into the laptop, friends. So now in our case we try to use it as an NA, that is FT232, which is nothing but the TTL to UART USB conversion, friends. So now we are using this chip. The chip is taking these TTL signals and converting into the laptop, because we are connecting to the USB port, friends. So like this, the setup looks, the conversion and the setup looks like this, friends. But in our case, the Arduino board itself is having there is called as an USB port, friends. So this will be working in a two modes, friends. One is flashing or dumping the port, and the same thing is working as a UART, friends. So we need not to connect anything, friends. The Uno board itself is having the USB port, so it is acting as a dual. One is flashing the port, another one is for the UART and the USB. So now it is converting into the USB to UART, friends. Now let us see. So this one itself will be used for the flashing, and the same thing can be used for an UART communication. So we can receive and transmit the data over here, friends. So if we want to see the signals, so here we can see there is called as an TX and RX, friends. So here you can see 0 will be the TX, friends. Sorry, 1 will be the TX and RX will be the 0, friends. These two signals can be taken and given separately, but in our case we can use this one for an transmission, friends. Now let us see how we. Now I open IDE, friends. So in this you can see two functions. One is setup, another one is a loop, friends. So here I have initialized the serial.begin with the baud rate, friends. The second one will be the loop, friends. So here I have taken the serial.println. So the new line, I have given the string welcome to the hello world friends with the delay of 1 second friends. Now let us flash and see the output friends. Sketch, verify and compile, and then download the code friends. So upload or download or flashing. So these are the three things we can use it friends. Now if you open this serial monitor, you can see welcome to the hello world, and this is a new line and this is the baud rate friends. So we need to set the baud rate on both the sides friends. The one is an Arduino board, another one is a laptop friends. So if the baud rate is same, then only we can get the data properly. Otherwise we may lose or we may get is a wrong or garbage values print. So this is the baud rate setting importance, and similarly 8 data and no parity one stop bit, that also we need to set the friends. If you like my content and if you like my presentation, if you like my demo, please share, subscribe to our channel. That will help a lot me friends.